Hi, welcome to Hungry Bites. For making dum kabab, we'll need 500 gram beef minced. Put it into a chopper. One large chopped onion. 1 teaspoon of roasted and crushed cumin seeds. All spices powder 1 teaspoon. A half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 slices of bread. Now chop all the things together. The mixture of kebabs is ready. You can check its texture. Add in some leaves of fresh mint and some coriander. Mix properly. Grease your hands with some oil and make oval-shaped balls. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and waiting for your beautiful comments. Now in this stage you can freeze them also for 1 month. I am making half from them and half will freeze. Half cup of oil put into a pot and heat it. Now put all kebabs in hot oil and fry them on medium flame for 10 minutes. Turn them after 5 minutes and cook 5 minutes more. After 5 minutes, dish out and same oil add 3 to 4 cloves, 1 curry leaf, 2 green cardamoms, and let them slightly fry. Now add paste of 1 large onion and fry until onion turns into pink color. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, a half teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 medium tomatoes puree. Cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt on low flame and mix it constantly for more 3 minutes. You can see oil is separated, and now it's time to add kebabs in it. And add 2 mugs of water. Cover it with lid and let them cook for 15 minutes on medium to high flame. After 15 minutes it's done. Add 1 teaspoon of all spices powder, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, fresh parsley, and cover with lid for 1 minute. Turn off the flame, and for smoky touch, you need a burned charcoal, and do same process. Cover with lid for 2 minutes. If you don't like smoky flavor, you can skip this. Now it's ready for eat, garnished with some fresh parsley and green chili. Enjoy with naan or chapati. If you like this amazing recipe, please tell me in comments. Thanks for watching. Till then, next. Bye.